Have you ever walked into an interview and suddenly felt like your mind went blank? You prepared so much, but when the interview asked a question, you weren't able to answer the way you wanted. The truth is, many candidates don't fail interview because they lack skills. They fail because they don't know how to prepare smartly, especially at the last moment. So, if you have an interview coming up soon, you are feeling nervous or confused about what to do, this video is for you. Hi everyone, my name is Kanksha Jain, your career coach, and in today's video, I am going to share some powerful last minute interview preparation tips that can help you perform confidently and increase your chances of getting selected. So let's get started. Step 1. Research the company. The first and one of the most important things you should do before any interview is research the company properly. Many candidates only remember the company's name, but that's not enough. When you walk into an interview, you should have clear basic knowledge about the organization you're applying to. There are six important things you should know about the company before going to the interview. First, the company's background. When the company was established and how long it has been operating in the industry. Second, try to understand the company's turnover or overall scale of business because this gives you an idea of how big and stable the organization is. Third, check whether the company has any sister company or any branches and in which field they are operating. Fourth, try to find out a few of the company's strong or well known clients. This will help you out understand the kind of projects or industries the company working with. Fifth, get an idea about the number of employees working in the organization. If possible, also try to understand the team size for the role you are applying for because interviewers sometimes ask about how comfortable you are working in a team. Sixth, know about the company's location and work setup, especially if there are multiple branches. And lastly, don't forget to check employees' review about the company. All these details are very easily available on Google and different social media platforms like LinkedIn. For employee reviews, especially, you can check platforms like Ambition Box, Glassdoor, where current and former employees share their experience. Knowing all this information about the company is extremely important because it shows the awareness and genuine interest in the organization. And when the interviewer asks a quick question like, "What do you know about the company?" you will be able to answer confidently and explain clearly what you understand about their organization. Step 2. Understand the job description. The second and very important step in your interview preparation is to carefully understand and read the job description at least one day before your interview. Take some time to properly read the job description. Don't just skim through it. Try to understand every responsibility, skills, requirement the company has mentioned. Remember, the job description clearly tells you what the company is actually looking for. And if your skill and experience doesn't match those requirements, there is a high chance of rejection. If you notice any skill or topic mentioned in the job description that you are not very confident about, try to quickly prepare or revise it before the interview. Another important thing is to prepare examples from your own experience that matches the skill mentioned in the job description. During the interview, many interviewers ask practical or situational questions to understand how you handle real work situation. When that happens, avoid giving the very short answers like yes, no. Instead, trying to explain what the small example from your experience, speak clearly, mention a smile, and answer with confidence. This shows the interviewer that you do not only understand the rule, but you also know how to explain your skills in a real situation. So, always try to communicate your thoughts properly, show your enthusiasm, and demonstrate what you can actually contribute to the room. Step 3. Prepare your introduction. Almost every interview starts with a very common question: "Tell me about yourself." It sounds like a simple question, but surprisingly, many candidates struggle to answer it properly. Some people start telling their entire life story while others give a very short and confusing answer. Your introduction should always be clear, structured, and professional because this is the first impression you create in front of the interviewer. A good introduction should usually include four important parts. First, start with a short background about yourself. For example, mention your name, where you are from, and then briefly talk about your educational background. Second, talk about your skills that are relevant to the job role. Focus on skills that match the job description so the interviewer immediately understands that you are suitable for this role. Third, mention your experience or academic projects. Like you are a fresher. If you have experience, briefly explain what role you were working in and what kind of responsibilities you handle. Another important thing to remember is that your introduction should not be too long or too short. Ideally, it should be around 40 to 60 seconds. Step 4. Prepare for common questions. There are various questions that interviewer ask in almost every interview, such as why should we hire you? What are the strengths and weaknesses? Why do you want this job? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? You don't need to memorize each answer, but you should have clear points in your mind about what you wanted to say. When you already have a basic structure already, it becomes so much easier to answer confidently and smoothly during the interview without feeling nervous and confused. Step 5. Prepare questions for the interviewer. At the end of the interview, the interviewer usually asks, do you have any question for us? Many candidates simply says no, thinking in the interview that like this is over. But this is actually a missed opportunity. When you say no, it can sometimes give you the impression that you are not very curious about the role or the company. Instead, you should always prepare two or three thoughtful questions in advance. So the interviewer think that you are a very enthusiastic person and you really wanted this job. You can also ask about the team structure, work culture, or expectations from the role in the few months. But remember, your question should be professional and relevant to the job, not only about the salary or leaves in the very first decision. Don't do this mistake. When you ask meaningful question, it creates a positive impression and shows the interviewer that you are thinking long term and you truly want to understand the role better. Step 6. Stay calm and confident. Many candidates prepare well, but the moment the interview starts, they become nervous and start doubting themselves. Because of that, they are not able to express their answers properly. Always remember, the interviewer is not sitting there just to reject you. Their goal is simply to understand whether you are the right fit for the role and the organization. So instead of feeling scared, try to treat the interview like a professional conversation where you are explaining your skills, experience, and the abilities. And if there is a question you don't know the exact answer to, don't panic. It's completely okay. You can politely say that you are not completely sure, but you can try to explain how would you approach the situation or how you would find the solution. Interviewers often look at your thinking process and confidence, not just the final answer. Maintain good eye contact and a positive attitude and a natural smile while speaking. These small things make you appear more confident and professional. So, these were some last minute interview preparation tips that can help you perform better and feel more confident in your next interview. If you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more career tips like this. And remember, preparation creates confidence. I will see you in the next video.